Continuing on with section 2.7, I'm going to do one more example with the similar figures. Again, I'm going to need to redraw these triangles. So I have a small triangle, KHJ, and I have a larger triangle of K, L, and M. Now looking back at my picture, I've got 9 here for KH. I've got 8 for HJ. I have X as the whole length right here of KL, and I have 12 for LM. I'm going to go ahead and match up my corresponding sides. 9 is KH, and KH is the first and second letter, so it matches up to KL. So I'll go ahead and start my proportion. 9 over something equals X over something else. 8 matches up to the 12 because HJ and LM are in the second and third positions. This is going to be 9 over 8 equals X over 12. Cross multiply, I get 8X equals 108. I'll divide by 8 on both sides. And I'll go ahead and reduce this fraction, or you could change it to a decimal, but I'll reduce it to 27 over 2. That would be 13.5. The next one is a story problem. So it talks about a house, and it casts some shadow. This is my lovely house, and it casts some sort of shadow. The shadow is 56 feet. And it says a girl is standing nearby. I'm really good at drawing pictures, as you can see. So this girl is casting a shadow of 7.2 feet. And it tells me her height is 5.4. So what I'm going to be able to do is figure out this question is, what is the height of the house? So I'm going to label that as X. Now we should be able to match up things and put them in a proportion. So I'm going to say that X, the height of the house, over 5.4. So I've got the two heights over top of each other. Now this was the house, and this is the girl. So we need the shadows to correspond to those. So I'm going to have 56 here because this is the house. This is the shadow of the house. And then the girl's shadow is underneath. We'll go ahead and cross multiply. 7.2x equals 56 times 5.4. 56 times 5.4 equals 302.4. Now I'm ready to divide that by 7.2. That will give me, so I'll divide that by 7.2, which gives me 42. So that means the house is approximately 42 feet tall. I have one more example. I'll at least get the proportions set up. So I have a flag. Again, my pictures are lovely. And I have a man. And the man is 6 foot tall. Well, let's go over here. The flagpole casts a shadow of 102 feet long. So here's my shadow. It's 102 feet long. The man, the 6 foot tall man, so this man is 6 foot tall, casts a shadow of 17 feet. This will allow me to figure out how tall the flagpole is. So I'll be able to write the proportion X is to 6 as 102 is to 17. You can basically see the proportions up by the picture. Cross multiply, 17x equals 612. And then I'll divide by 17 on both sides. This does give me 36. I hope you enjoyed my pictures today.